Oh, please, excuse me. Excuse me.
Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, dear children, teachers, parents, staff and students. On behalf of the Bangladesh High Commission and the Sri Lankan Ministry of Education, good morning. I, Gola Bala. A most cordial welcome to the Honorable Prime Minister Mahinda Rajapaksa in our ministry. A warm welcome at Independence Square Memorial Hall, Excellency, on this bright morning. While our brief proceedings will be in English, we are mindful of the presence of different language speakers in our midst this morning. This morning,
All these are by Sri Lankan children. This is such a fitting to do, nothing to do more for the mother language day. Now, why painting and arts? Because we have been saying that painting, like song, letters, is another language, a very profound language which tend to ignore and which can actually unify us, where there is no borders, no lines, nothing, and it only enthuses us, it only excites us. So, Honorable Prime Minister, we got this adjudged by the Sri Lankan contemporary greats like Radhasekhar, S.H. Sarath, Iromi, to adjudge this, and they said we cannot only determine the first, second, third, we also have to determine another 19. So that's the beauty of it. Apart from that, in the higher grades, there was a competition for essay, creative essay and poem writing. And as I just shared with you the list, you may see that the children have come who have been adjudged without any prejudice or anything from very far-flung areas. Some of these, my Sri Lankan friends say that they often may not recognize. So that's the beauty of unification. And the theme of this year, as we are observing, we said language for unity. So this day, this moment, and I have to apologize to many of you because you are standing here without any air conditioning or without any even fan. But I thought that this is the way to be in the nature, and let's celebrate. Let's not harp in the past, or let's not harp in the fact that what could have been done, but let's try to show that what can be done, and through which actually how we can connect with our future generation, our posterity.
Education and Higher Education and Technology, Your Excellency, the High Commissioner of Bangladesh to Sri Lanka, President, Honorable Ex-Foreign Minister, Excellencies, Honorable Ministers and Members of Parliament, members of the senior officials from the government, members of media, students, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, Ayubowan, Vanakkam, Assalamu alaikum and Namaste. I am here representing the United Nations in Sri Lanka on behalf of the Resident Coordinator, Ms. Hannah Singh, who sends her regret for not being able to join this morning. The United Nations International Mother Language Day is being observed, as the High Commissioner mentioned, ever since it was adopted by the UNESCO resolution in February 2000 to promote linguistic, cultural diversity and multilingualism. Bangladesh spearheaded this initiative within the UN system and the international community. Therefore, we as the United Nations feel privileged to partner with the Bangladesh High Commission in Sri Lanka in celebrating the Language Day for Unity. Plays a role in. First is language and development. In pursuing the 2030 development agenda, we must recognize that the language play a vital role in development. It is also important to facilitate dialogue to overcome the fragmented, uncoordinated and partial ways in which language decisions are made. In this way, the majority and minority communities' needs and interest can be combined in a single activity that can treat language as a community resource and foster social cohesion. The third
Ayuan, Vanakkam, Assalamu alaikum, Reverend Sirs, Honorable Prime Minister of Democratic Socialist Republic of Sri Lanka, Honorable Minister of former Honorable Minister of Foreign Affairs, the other Honorable Ministers, Honorable High Commissioner of the Government of Bangladesh, the other ambassadors, high commissioners and foreign dignitaries, secretaries of the ministries and all other distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. I am delighted to be the part of the International Mother Language Day, which is celebrated on the 21st February every year since the year 2000. This concept was initially put forward by the government of Bangladesh and duly approved by the UNESCO 1999. This day is especially celebrated with the view of preserving the historic heritages and the unique mother languages. This celebration aims at honoring and appreciating the cultural ethics and language different communities. Mother language is the key medium we utilize to express our deepest thoughts and our own ideas that depict our unique cultural identity. On the other hand, the mother language is a vital factor that affects the multifaceted influences in cultural, religion, social, economic, political as well as the geographic aspects. It also plays a key role as the medium on instruction, education that help build personalities, eventually contributing forward building a nation. We should be well aware that the use of high-end technology devices in this globalized era is a threat for the sustainability of mother languages. We must make our efforts to protect and preserve its value by using it within as well as outside our motherland. Sri Lanka, India, Bangladesh share many common historic, cultural and geographical features. Among them, the most important factor is the Sanskrit language.
உருளப்படி ஊரு போடலாம் போடணும்